And hello everyone. Once again, today I'm going to be showing you how you can change your iPhone 5s Wi-Fi flex. If you're having a problem connecting your Wi-Fi, or your Wi-Fi is really poor signal, then you need to follow this video and change the flex cable. If you're not sure if you need to change this cable or not, then I would say that if your phone doesn't show any Wi-Fi networks, you take your phone closer to the internet router and check if it's connected to the network. If you get really close to the router and if it's still connected to the network, that means you need to change this cable antenna, so that way if you're not close to even a router, it will still connect to the Wi-Fi. Once again, this is only for the iPhone 5s. So you will proceed to it. We're gonna loosen up the motherboard actually. So you're gonna take the battery cable out, USB connector cable, and that's the power switch cable. You're gonna carefully unclip the wires, remove all the screws before you're pulling out the motherboard. Okay, now carefully pry up the motherboard and unclip the wire. That's a Wi-Fi cable. Okay, it's glued on the back cover, so you can remove it. I forgot to tell you guys, if you need the parts, then you can visit the websites. I have put in the link in the descriptions. If you wish to buy it from us, we can send it to you. Okay, once you pull the cable out, you're gonna remove the vibrate motor. Because the Wi-Fi cable is also connected to the vibrate motor, so you're gonna remove the vibrate motor too, and remove that whole flex cable. We're gonna be putting the new cable, so it doesn't matter if you damage the old one or not. Okay, that's the new cable. It comes with the adhesive, so you can just rip the tape off and put it on. Okay, gonna put this vibrate motor back. And now carefully clip the wire to the motherboard. It's gonna be a little bit tricky, but whichever way convenience for you, you can do that way. Okay, you're gonna put the motherboard back in its place. You're gonna put the antenna cable, battery cable, USB connector cable, and the power switch cable. Okay, once you put all the screws back and everything is back, make sure all the cables are plugged in correctly, so that way if you plug the phone back, so you don't have to reopen the phone. So make sure they're all clipped down properly. It's always tricky with the iPhones when you put the clips down, and if it doesn't fit properly, it will not work. Okay, gonna put the LCD back. you're gonna put the power button cable clip carefully, press it gently down, put the cover on, and we are done. If you have any question, you can write me in the comments. Anything you can write, bad comments, negative comments, it's all up to you guys. Thank you for watching, and if you need a part, please